G'day, here's a large piece of Boulder Opal that's been broken apart to reveal the opal inside. Rules and millimetres. Material's been wetted. Unfortunately with this piece wasn't a lot of colour to be seen where it broke. But in saying that, there's still some veins and areas that are worth investigating. Through here, another vein through there. Over here, maybe grind it down a little bit and have a bit of better look. So this is a bit of a gamble, I'm not putting a lot on it. It's up to you to hopefully make a fortune. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.